Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to narrow down your search on the Harold B. Lee Library in order to find items in the special collections. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Google Chrome or your other search engine. I prefer Google Chrome. And then you'll go to the Harold B. Lee website, which is just lib.byu.edu. It should be the first option that shows up for you. So here's the main web page for you. And so say you're looking for some materials on Joseph Smith. So you'll go ahead and type Joseph Smith into the search bar, and then go ahead and click this here little search icon. And as you can see, there are a lot of results right here, and we definitely don't want that many. And say you know you want something and you know it's in the special collections. So after you do your initial search up here, you'll go ahead and come down here to collection. See this little arrow? You'll click on that, and it'll drop down a whole bunch of different collecting areas. And special collections are all in alphabetical order, so we'll be down here. Right there, special collections. You'll go ahead and check this box right here, and that will narrow down your search. So now everything that we're seeing is only in the special collections, or they have copies in the regular library as well as the special collections as well. Now say 7,610 results is still way too many for you. So another thing you can do is click on the drop down for the creation date, and say you're wanting something from when he was alive, like a primary source. So something you can do if you know when he was alive, which we know it was in the 1800s, so we can go 1800 to 1910. And so now we're going to see a letter, that's a primary source, or we've got a couple really early books that were written right after he had passed away. So these are going to be a lot more up your speed. If you go back up to the top, it's narrowed it down substantially. So yeah, that's how you narrow down your search in the library webpage.